Hello, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog. You noticed I got a trailer on the back and it's Wednesday. Whatever could I be doing? Who would want to haul a trailer on a Wednesday? Well, I'll give you a hint. We're picking up a friend's car. They're having issues with it, and I offered to help fix it. And you're coming along. It's a very pretty car, and I think you'll like it, but you'll just have to wait and see. Alright guys, I'm back at it again. So to explain the trailer, a friend of mine's having issues with his car, asked me, hello kitten, asked me to help him fix it, and I said yeah, I would help him fix it. It's definitely beautiful, it's definitely a sweet car, and it's definitely got a space on this channel. I won't have it long, I think I already know what's wrong with it, but we're going to diagnose it together and see if we can figure out this no start, but here she is. Okay, what we are dealing with is a 1994 Mustang GT that's been Cobra modified. It's my friend Justin's car, and it is beautiful. As you can see, the car is very meticulously taken care of, and me hauling it home was the first time this car's seen rain in over 10 years. It is beautifully clean inside. Got a ratchet shifter, and it is most definitely not a stock base. Those Cobra badges aren't without. Those Cobra badges aren't without merit. It is completely modified to Cobra specs in every way except for the seats. Still has cloth interior, but it has everything else. So, what happens with these is these distributors and the ignition systems in general are known to be a pain in the butt. Especially down inside here, which I suspect to be the only other possible problem. That PIP, aka a pickup switch, I believe is our fault. So this is the wire for the aftermarket tach. This is the factory pulse. This is 12 volt. Now I'm going to throw a battery charger at it real quick because the battery's getting low. Okay. Now sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes you can actually disconnect the spout connector, which is right here, to override and make it run if the PIP is bad. This is not a be-all end-all, but it may help sometimes. So we got a battery charger on it. I got it jacked up a little bit so I can get the door open, clear the fender. Grab the keys. Oh, goodness. Mamacita. Look at that. That's a two-door. 55, 56. Wow. We're gonna go look at it. This is the kind of stuff that makes me sad.
And hey, they have back windows. Wow.
Back seat's still in it.
I would not want to ride in this car. This would be an easy fixer-upper.
I wouldn't call it easy, but Papa and I could do it.
Then ask if you can have it. Then why didn't you ask if you can have it?
I think it's more than that. The back window in this car is worth some of the cars I drive.
So Haley, you would trade all your cars just for a back window. That's how much the back window is. I don't know how much.
Wow.
Don't cut yourself.
It needs floors, I'll tell you that. The back seat actually is pretty neat.
Just go foot pedaling.
Actually, it looks like there's an engine in there. Yep, inline 6.
Is there a key?
Yeah. Yeah, there's an inline 6 hanging out under there. How cool. Really?
Can't wait to get home.
Those are fiberglass fenders. Which means somebody's building this for a drag car. What are you doing, baby doll? That's really cool. How cool. You know we'll be back for that. detailing the floor and everything too.
Emma made it clear I wasn't allowed to leave her.
Alright, you guys ready to go see the caboose?
Oh yeah. Let's go see the caboose. But where's the caboose? Are we allowed in the caboose?
Yes.
Yeah, we're going to the train. Are you ready? Ready? We're going in a train.
Yes, you can go in a train.
Like, what did you do if you went to train? I went in a caboose.
Yep.
Whoa.
Did it really? Did it really? There it is, 1956. That's,
So this is what the back of a
Oh,
caboose
really?
looks like?
This is what a caboose looks like.
It actually was here.
This is what they sleep on.
This is up in the
Yeah, this is what they sleep on.
here.
Right here.
No.
Being a conductor isn't all about comfort.
Chugga chugga chugga. Chugga chugga chugga. Chugga chugga chugga. Choo choo. Don't judge my train impression.
Oh, I will judge
Choo
and
choo.
judge.
I'm driving a train.
This is the brake.
Oh, the wheel action.
See how it says on and off?
Turn it on. Do this.
Yeah, one bolt there. These are set over. This baby should fire right up. Waxed it up for him. It felt so bad that it got soaking wet. Got it all waxed up and ready to go. So we're waiting for Justin to get here. I'm happy that the car is fixed and it's running good. I know he's excited about it too. We got everything fixed up. We put a starter in as preventative maintenance. The distributor's in, which was the main culprit of the problem. And as soon as Justin gets here, we can get it out of the garage and release it back to the rightful owner. And guys, I wished I could say that this was a permanent car for me, but no, I was just one of the people fortunate enough for Justin to trust to actually work on it. Dude takes care of this car. I mean, it is super clean, 94, very well maintained, very well built. So it's an honor, it's a pleasure, and happy to show it to you guys on the channel. Like, comment, subscribe for more content like this, and as always, we'll see you on the flip side.